सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट का लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देख पा रहा है स्टॉक मार्केट का लेटेस्ट न्यूज़। और पहले आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे 2000% रैली इन 5 years, स्मॉल कैप multibagger स्टॉक अंडर 100 each, हायर आफ्टर fundraise not by shareholders. $1.1 solution share price rose over 3% in 1 month and 6% in 1 year. The small cap stock has delivered multiplier returns of 230% in 3 years and more than 2000% in the past few years. 1.1 solution share price rose over 2% on Tuesday after the company's shareholder approved a major capital raising proposal paving the way for an 84 crore preferential issue of the fully convertible warrant. The small cap stock gained as much as 2.62% to 54.70 apiece on the BSE. In a regulatory filing that January 12, 2026 said it is the shareholder had approved a special resolution to issue warrant on a preferential basis of the promoter and selected non-promoter investor. The resolution received near the unanimous support at which 29.56 lakhs valid votes cast. Of these, 29.55 lakhs votes were in favor of the proposal, while only 900 votes were against it and no invalid votes were recorded. Under the approval plan, one solution will issue up to 1.5 crore fully convertible warrant at an issue price of 56 per warrant, including a premium of 54, taking the total issue size to 84 crore. Each warrant to convertible into one equity shares of face value to which a period of 18 months from the date of allotment. Akshay Savra promoter 50 lakhs warrant, Afrin DIA non-promoter 20 lakhs warrants.